That's better. Now we look all pretty again. In order to go and play Pajama Sam, Thunder and Lightning aren't so frightening. This is gonna be fun. And we're all gonna have a good time. What the Jesus fuck was that? Oh, I love that meme. Let's do these.
Hold it right there, Earthquaker. Stop that evil doing.
Your low-calorie threats mean nothing to me. Take that, Captain Skeleton.
And stop shaking.
Oh, this is great.
You and your lunchboxes are no match for the foul weatherman. Now, we shall take the cosmic eraser, and with it, we shall control the world!
Not so fast, Dust Devil!
Pajama Man! I'll spin you to the four corners of the earth,
Oh
you
my
gooder.
god, it's great.
Dandy Pajama Man Superpower Max is different!
Pajama Man, you suck!
Exactly!
Nah, you suck.
All right.
Yeah! Oh, this is great.
It's okay. It's just a little thunder and lightning. Thunder and lightning aren't
Money
so
well spent.
frightening. Thunder and lightning
aren't so frightening.
Thunder and lightning aren't so frightening, but I'm scared.
Little wuss.
Someone's got to go upstairs and do something about this weather. This looks like a job for Pajama Sam. I know I left my Pajama Sam cape around here somewhere. I better find it.
I know where it is. I know where it is. It's in here. Because I played this as a kid, like, quite a lot.
Nothing in here.
What? A little prick. That's in here.
Aha! Pajama Sam is ready for action.
Fuck yeah,
Now
my
I can
dude.
Go upstairs and take care of all this thunder and lightning.
Oh yeah.
I'd better get upstairs and do something about this.
Yes, let's go do something about this. Damn, I was a round
Me
baby.
When I was little.
Quite a high jump, man. That's superhuman jump. Then again, I am blue, so who says that I'm human?
Okay, here I go.
I was as blue as my pajamas. I'm not wearing my pajamas. I'm wearing my casual outfit.
Pajama Sam is gonna put a stop to this thunderstorming once and for all.
Yeah, because we are badasses.
Wow.
Pajama Man, Pajama Sam, Thunder and Lightning. And hello everybody and welcome to, well, this game.
This is where all the weather comes from. Thunder and lightning must work there.
So a little prelude into this, I saw this on the PlayStation Network store. And within, I believe, 2 minutes I spent the money for it. Because this has this game, which I have nostalgic feelings for through and through because I love it dearly. Shut up, Sam, I'm doing an intro. It has Freddy Fish 3, which I played a lot, and it has Put Back in Time, which I also played a lot. And all three of those I will be playing, but this is the first one that I want to do because this is a game I know, this is a game I love, and my god, it's amazing already. It's just so fun to record this.
Pajama Sam is coming.
Yeah, man! Oh, I love this. Hello, you little prick. I know. And the good thing is, I know. I still know a lot about this game, where everything is and what I need to grab. It's fun.
A crowbar.
Because I used to play it a lot and I could
This'll come
never
in handy.
really finish it. So I used to play it over and over again until I didn't know where to go anymore. So there's like one part I don't really know, but then there are a lot of parts that I really know. Crowbar. Because if I use the crowbar on this box and I get in the box, I will get past that barrier dude. These are all the secrets that I didn't know when I started playing this game. And when I played it, I couldn't really look it up because I didn't know how that worked. When did this game come out, actually? Pajama Sam. And then... which one is Thunder and Lightning? Yeah, Bliksem and Donder. Which is Thunder and Lightning for the Dutch folks. When did this come out? Okay, so the original release is 1998. I didn't live then because I wasn't alive. I don't even believe I was an idea even. I believe I played this when would be the first time that I played this? I don't know, like 2006 or 2008?
Worldwide Weather Employee Identification Card. Foster Boondoggle. Do not lose this card. Maybe there's a lost and found somewhere where I can turn this in.
Or we could use it ourselves, which would also be very great. And I mean, it's not even a long game. I believe it's like an hour if you play it correctly.
Welcome
Less.
to Worldwide Weather, sir.
Oh, thank you very much, good sir. Let me grab this ID card. That's not how ID cards work. Luckily. Don't be scared to death as that happened the first time I used an ID card.
I hope it wasn't too important.
Probably not. Let's meet Thunder and Lightning. Wonder how the voices are in the English. I only used to play this game in Dutch, because I could only speak Dutch.
Thunder, there's someone in here! Call security!
Oh, calm down, would you, dear? It's just a little boy.
I don't like her voice. That voice.
I'm Pajama Sam! I've come to put a stop to this thunderstorming business.
Oh, yes. I think we've really outdone ourselves this time. Isn't it wonderful?
I like how the
well,
lightning is wearing a
actually,
shirt with a gigantic
I do
L on
enjoy
it.
a good storm, and it will be so helpful for the plants and things.
I never...
Sure thing.
Yeah.
And of course, Pajama Sam is here to fuck everything up.
Oh no! Not the red button!
1998. It's now 2023. So this game is 25 years old, I believe. 2 years.
Adjusting horizontal hold.
Yeah, 25 years old.
That should hold it for now. Damage report. Looks like a few pieces have been shaken loose.
Oh my gosh! Look at this weather! Hurricanes in Egypt! Tornadoes in Toledo!
This is going to take
Back then I didn't even
everything
know what
we've got.
Egypt was.
Can I help?
Help! No one can help! We're doomed! Doomed!
And the Oscar goes to
As a
Lightning.
matter of fact, there is something you can do. Lightning and I have important work to do here, so we need you to help fix the weather machine.
What
How
worse,
do I
go
do that?
unfuck
This
up
is
your
a
fuck
list
up.
of pieces that have come off the machines. We need you to find them and
Ah,
put them
yeah.
back where they belong. Will you do that?
I know all of them.
Never fear, ma'am.
Pajama Sam's
always helps
here.
people in need.
Ow. Why is the subtitle why is the subtitle the same color as me?
Memo to employees.
969. Well, I will need to come back here anyway, because two of the ones I need that number for. And I know one of them from the top of my head. We can get to that one pretty quickly.
Wow, look at all
It's so
that.
cool.
I didn't know making weather was so complicated.
No, it isn't. But this is just cool. Okay, let's go to my favorite place first. Because my favorite place has always been the greenhouse. Just because you can grow everything, and I didn't know how it worked, so I just used to dick around with it. But it's fun. I'm not gonna go for the puzzle pieces. Because if we go in here, if we do all sunshine and all rain, I believe you only need 3 of them, then you can make a rainbow. A rainbow will give you gold, because at the end of the rainbow there's a pot of gold.
Oh, what's this? They'll be after me gold.
They'll be after me gold. Now we get currency. But I know somewhere you can get like a
Oh boy,
a earthquake in a can and all that sort of stuff, which is just fun. I mean, this is just a fun game. So now we go in here. Turn this one off. Hey, where did this guy go? Oh, so everything does change. Oh, that sucks. Okay, so one of the pieces needs to go in here, and I forgot a piece that goes in there.
It looks like there's a piece missing there.
You don't say, shithead. Okay, so we got this prepped anyway. Where do I need to go? Oh yeah, wait, I know where I need to go. Instead of being that stupid, be less stupid. There. I think I could have just grabbed... Yeah. So we need the snowflake inspector here. Hello, Mr. Cat.
Hey, aren't you the same carrot that...
Shh, not so loud, Sam. I'm undercover.
What are you doing outside of the
What?
land of darkness?
I've infiltrated the weather company here in order to expose the egregious
What?
exploitation of their work.
I never saw this before.
It's all about economics. I just finished a degree in econ at the University of Cauliflower at Broccoli. It was really an eye-opener.
Well, it's nice to see you again.
Yeah, don't go taking any nickels with strings attached. You hear me?
You know like how every time you launch up this game, it changes? Because I did do a little test run of this just to see how it would run. And then he was wearing a courgette for a nose. No, not plus. Oh, no, wait, it's good. No, it's not good. I need to be at minus because I need to tiny. I need to teeny tiny myself in a minute. Because if I go down here... Go down here. Hello, weather balloon. And then grab the crowbar.
Hello? Is somebody out there?
Hey, there's one. I wonder what...
Hello? Who's there?
Lucknut?
It's Wingnut,
Wingnut.
of course.
Wingnut?
Who the hell's Wingnut? Yes. It's the solar power
You're on
machine.
my list. I'm glad I found you.
How bad.
I'm here
I
to
am the
save
most
you,
important
my
piece of
man.
the sun machine, after all.
Are you stuck down there?
No, but I'm kind of lost. You'll have to come down here and get me out.
I have to come down the drain?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, okay. Pajama Sam always helps those in need.
What's a Pajama Sam?
That's me, you asshole. Prick. I also just love the sound effects. They're so quirky. Boink. Okay, now we go down there. And now I have to shrink ourselves, which you do in the shrink queue. Oh no, the shrinko. Trademark.
Wow, look at me. This is great.
I wonder how great it
I
is.
sure hope I don't run into any big bugs.
I like big bugs and I cannot lie. So Now we go down here again, get in there, and now let's get our first piece in only 16 minutes. That should be a record. Hello, Wingnut. Wingnut! Look at him being happy. Oh, you can barely see him. Oh well.
I've got Wingnut. Now, I just have to bring him back to the sun machine.
Yeah, but we first have to embiggen ourselves again. Oh, you're lucky about that one. Could have killed you pretty good. One thing I always wonder, how did Wingnut get gigantified by this? Sorry for your production, Frosty, but
That tickles.
okay. I hope they ever. How fun? Nah, that wouldn't be fun if they made a remake of this with today's technology and graphics, but I don't think that would do great. Make it a shooter game. Oh, Call of Duty, don't be afraid of thunder and lightning. Put Wingnut back at this place, because Wingnut goes over here.
Here we are, Wingnut.
And not a moment too soon, I see. Boy, I can't leave you guys alone for 2 minutes without everything getting all out of whack, can I?
Oh, sure, that's right, Wingnut.
Yeah, you must be the most important guy here.
Ass.
There, that looks better already.
What would we do without you?
You know, it actually does look better.
Ew.
Hello, Sam.
Hello.
Sorry, we didn't mean to startle you.
You fixed the sun machine.
Yes, I did.
That sounds great.
I like how the TV is in front of me.
According
The
to our
camera
weather
is
monitors,
above
things
me.
are already looking a little better. We wanted to tell you you were doing a good job.
Oh, thanks. I'm happy.
It's like he's
to
standing
help.
at my standing
That's
desk.
good, because there are still 3 more machines to be
I mean,
fixed.
I still have
There's
the
plenty to
bad
do
tendency
here
to look
as
at
well.
myself instead of the camera, like look at you guys, like I'm staring into your soul right now. But I mean,
I'll take
I'll
care
get
of those
better.
other machines right away.
one
Very
day.
good. Bye now.
Take care now. Bye bye.
How do you like that? Not even a word about my performance.
You're just holding.
Typical.
Shut the fuck up. Let's take the slide.
Oh,
So now we get to take this can, which is basically like liquid sun.
liquid sunshine.
Same thing.
Ingredients. Sun. Use with caution.
At least it's sugar free, soy free. So now I realize this game is a lot of back and forth. Because now we need to make an appointment with Chair Guy, with using Phone Guy, and not Phone Guy from Five Nights at Freddy's, even though this is a purple phone.
Memo
It's
to
all
employees.
connected.
For appointment dial 9.
969. I wonder if someone ever got 666. Hello, Purple Guy.
Hello again, sir.
What's the name of Purple Guy again? Afton.
Welcome to the world.
Hello, douche.
Worldwide weather, how may I help
Worldwide
I'd like to make an
Wetter.
appointment to see
Are you
someone.
German?
you?
Is it a
Certainly.
German
Let
chair?
me check his calendar. Yes, Mr. Someone is available immediately. I'll pencil you in. What is your name?
I'm Pajama
dance.
Sam. I'm helping.
Very good, Mr. Sam. Mr. Someone will see you just as soon as you arrive. Goodbye. Do you have an appointment?
Yes,
Yes,
I
I
do.
do.
It's
I'm
right
Pajama Sam.
here.
I'm helping.
Ah, yes, here it is. Go right on in, Mr. Sam. Mr.
I
Someone
couldn't
is
figure
ready
out the
for
first
you.
couple of times when I ever played it how to make an appointment. I could not figure it out. So now I believe I have to go in here. Oh, one of the machines is now in there.
Ah,
Hi, I'm Pajama
Yes, you're
Sam.
Pajama Sam, fucking no.
Who sent you? I'm working very hard. You'd be amazed what a difficult job it is, being in charge of all the supplies.
I'm sure it is.
George, someone sent you over here to check up on me, didn't he? He
No, he
thought
didn't.
you'd catch me not doing my job so he can get that big promotion, right?
No, nobody sent me over.
He did not.
Nobody?
Uh-huh.
Really?
Really?
Well, that's a relief.
I'm just here to take a first place ribbon. Employee of the month.
Employee of the month. Can I have one of these?
Absolutely. Take it.
Thanks. That was too easy.
Well, can you keep a secret?
Sure.
I accidentally ordered 1,000 of those when I was only supposed to get a dozen.
Whoops.
I'm trying to
Nice.
get rid of them before anyone notices. Take a
There
few
are
more.
1,000 ribbons in that
But
box.
I
It's a
think
big
I
fucking
really
box.
only want one.
Oh, all right.
Okay, goodbye. Do I need a key?
It's locked. That looks like something on the list of weather machine pieces I'm supposed to find. Yes, I think it's part of the velocimometer.
The velocimometer. The velociraptor, you mean?
Yikes! Oops, I'm sorry. Is that you, velocimometer? Yes, I'm lost. Don't worry, I'm Pajama Sam. I'm here to help you. Can you unlock the door from in there?
I don't think so.
Well, never fear. I'll get you out.
Thank you.
How would I even get you out? I don't even know how to get you out. Please tell me that the pipe is in here. Oh, good thing. I won't talk to him yet. I'm just here to do this. I first want to get Earthquake. How would I even get a key to the bathroom?
What?
Where would I
That's
even get a key
right.
to the bathroom?
Mom
Yeah,
always said not to look at the sun.
it's liquid sunshine, you idiot. What did you expect? Where do I get a key? Probably gonna be... Ah, look at
And
that.
so, with the departure of Mr. Hereford, we are left with an empty seat on the board.
Say, how come none of us have got a place to sit?
Mr. Splinter, please. Decorum must be observed. No new business until we've dispensed with the old business. Oh, hello. Just dust round the picture frames for now. You can vacuum later when we've finished.
Dust? But I...
Now then, where were we? Ah, yes. Finding a new board member to fill the empty seat. Any suggestions?
Well, how about that rock over in the VP of Paperclip's office?
Yes, perhaps. It might be a bit dense for this job, though. Any other ideas?
Can I sit on the chair?
What exactly are you doing?
I'm touching
It's
the
been
chair.
very quiet.
Oh, please. It's just a stool to be sat upon.
How come nobody's sitting on it?
Yeah.
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 The stool will be occupied by our new board member when we have found one.
Can I be the new board member?
Well, I hardly think.
Yeah. What about the kid?
I like his ideas.
What's your name, kid?
I'm Pajama Sam. I'm helping.
Well, I nominate Pajama Sam for a seat on the board.
Second.
Well, all right, but he will have to pass the test.
Test?
Just a
Test?
few questions about running a business. We can
Oh,
start
God.
Oh.
I know I'm running a
okay.
business, but this is bullshit. Okay, come at me.
now. Go ahead and choose a question out of the hat.
Can I choose? I want this one.
Explain Giffin's paradox. I don't know that one.
I have no idea what it is. I don't know. I really don't have a hard
I
question.
really
This
don't
is
have
too
a
hard.
lot of
I'm
time
just
for
a
hard
kid.
questions like this.
That's too hard. I'm just a
That's
kid.
too hard. I'm just a kid.
Well, if you want to be on the board of directors, you'll have to find a way to answer the question.
I have a feeling I need that carrot bastard.
That's a really tough question. I think we should disallow it.
No, knowledge of economics is essential for a member of the board. Go ahead and choose.
What is unemployment?
Money that you get when you don't have a job. It's skin rash. When people don't
When
have jobs.
people don't have jobs.
That's unemployment.
Yes, quite correct.
Way to go!
Yes, well, there are still 3 more areas to go.
Oh, I need to answer all of them.
Go ahead and choose.
Name a song about rain.
Purple rain, purple rain. But it's singing
Singing
in the rain.
in the rain.
Yes, very good.
I'm singing in the rain.
I knew he'd make a good board member.
Now, he's not finished yet. There are still 2 more sections to be passed. Go ahead and choose a...
Name a movie in which there is a tornado.
Twister.
Twister.
Yes, very good. There certainly was a tornado in that one.
I didn't know these movies.
Good job, Sam.
Yes, I suppose that was rather impressive. Still, there is one last section to pass before we can confirm you as a board member.
Yeah, and I have a feeling I'm gonna need that carrot. Ah, there he is. My man.
Hi, I'm Pajama Sam.
Hi, Snowflake Inspector.
You're the automated snowflake inspector?
No, Inspector Detector. Call me Sid.
Oh.
It's shorter.
You look awfully tired.
I'm feeling a bit run down.
He's burned
I need
out.
something to eat.
Yeah, and the last time I did this, I thought he needed like a carrot or something, but apparently he needs liquid sunshine.
Here, have some sun.
So now we use him
Hey,
to get Inspector
that hit the
Snowflake.
spot.
You look much
I don't know where
better.
Inspector Snowflake
Well,
is.
I've got to go and find Flaky. I mean, the inspector. He needs me.
I'm looking for him too. Maybe we could look together.
Just
I
the
can do the
two of us.
detecting if you'll carry me with you.
Okay.
I wouldn't even know where to go.
The inspector's far.
Far away from this room. Well, we need to go to the wind tunnel anyway. Because now, if we go up here, I still cut myself, it fucking sucks. Then I can crank this gigantic machine. The thing is, I know where all of them are except
I knew
for
I'd
Flaky.
find where this went if I looked hard enough.
And I've already gotten Wingnut, so we are doing great on time, I believe. And hopefully I don't sound doubled up this time, which I found out in my Cuphead recordings. And some other recordings.
This thing turns.
Gee whiz! So now, if we go down here again, turn this on again, and then turn it off again, and then go back up here again. Like, it's a fun game, but it's still a little bit tedious. Oh, but it's amazing. I just love the fact that I'm
Turns
playing.
backwards too.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock. You need to put it. And then we could go up here into the secret area, which contains a hard hat.
Oh boy, a hard hat. It works great.
I love the sound effects. And then we go down here. Let's see what Flaky has to say.
The inspector's.
Yeah, I believe he could be in the toilet with the velocimometer, but that wouldn't make sense. So I got the hard hat, I got that. Okay, so now we need to go back all the way to the beginning before we even entered this facility, and we have to go through the hailstorm. Yeah, I know my stuff. Luckily, this game isn't as bullshit at your heart as the final boss in Horizon Zero Dawn, Horizon Forbidden West. The Alpha Spectre Prime. Little asshole. Hello again, sir.
Hello again, sir.
Oh, I wish you could be that happy every day. So, if we now put on our hard hat, if we now...
Warmer.
Oh, I'm getting warmer. Maybe the inspector is over there as well. That would make sense. And now we go in here.
Hey, this works pretty well.
I'm singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. Hello, doggy. Cute doggy. Let's go to B first. See if the inspector isn't here. Is definitely earthquake in a can.
Earthquake in a can. Please recycle after use.
I will. What's the blue button for? Who knows?
The inspector's nearby.
Oh, so he's somewhere here. Okay, cool. Maybe he's on the second level. Or he's on the B floor. I don't think he's... let's see if he's in here.
The inspector's nearby.
Okay, he's not in there. Just for my own sake. So, just because I can. Check the roof and then the other thingy. Because if he says it's nearby, that means he's somewhere in this building. But if he's not at the bottom one, not on the second one, and maybe not even on the third one...
Colder.
That's what I mean. It's probably on the base level. Probably in one of those boxes or something. Love the elevator music, man. Is he in here?
He's in this room. He's in this room.
Okay, now that I've found the inspector, I just need to get him out of that box. I need to open that box to get the inspector out.
Crowbar? Sam. Hey, Flaky.
Flaky, I mean, Inspector, it's nice to see you.
Hello, Sid.
This is Pajama Sam. He helped me find you.
Hi.
Delighted.
Well, I'm sure glad we
He
found
doesn't
you.
sound
You've
delighted.
gotta come
Thanks,
back to the
sarcasm
snow machine
detector.
with us right away.
No way.
I
No
need a
way.
sarcasm detector in my
I'm
life.
not
It'll just be
going back there.
constantly
They
turning
don't
red when I say
appreciate me.
something.
This could be a problem.
Don't worry. I'll think
Oh.
of something.
Yeah, here you go, Employee of the Month.
Inspector, look. You've
Installed
been
Mad
named
Max. Well, that's a
Employee
good
of the
sign.
Month.
Maybe I'll play that on the channel too. Let me know. Probably by the time I've uploaded this, I've already recorded a couple of episodes on it.
Really like me.
They sure do.
Yeah, we love you, Flaky. You're the real
Can't wait to
MVP.
get back to my post and all those wonderful snowflakes.
I'll take you
Well,
there if you
we
like.
have to get there
Would
anyway
you?
because
Gee,
I
Sam,
need
that
to
would be
get away.
great.
I need to find a way to get the carrot.
You've made him very happy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
No
Will you be
problem,
coming
man.
with us to the snow machine?
You go on ahead. I'll catch up.
Okay, bye bye. So I got Flaky, I got Wingnut. Now let's go get the Y pipe, and then let's get the velocimometer, and then we're done with this game. And I've been recording for 38 minutes, so I'm doing really good. This game always requires a lot of setup, and then once you're set up, it's really quick.
Welcome to Worldwide Weather, sir.
Yes, I know. After shut the why? Yo, what did I hit? Hello, good sir.
Hey, Mr. Sam.
Good day, Mr. Sam. Okay, so let's first get him, then go to the snow people. I could have gone to the snow people first, actually. Who cares? Put some coins in here.
Say, aren't you the Y pipe?
Yes, because
Why
he's a
do you
Y and he's a
I
pipe.
thought
So Y
I've been
pipe.
looking for you.
You have? Why?
I'm looking for all the important pieces to the weather machines.
Really? Why?
So I can
Get it?
put
He's a
you on
Y
back
pipe?
and fix the machines.
So
Why
just,
would you want to do that?
So he just
Because
asks
all the
why?
weather everywhere is
Because he's a
going crazy,
prick.
And thunder and lightning are in trouble, and it's sort of my fault.
Yeah, because you fucked up.
What did you do to cause all of that?
Never
I
mind
jumped on a
that
red
now.
button.
It's not important. You've
Yes, it
gotta
is.
come with me.
I'd love to, but I can't get out of this vending machine by myself. Think you
How did
could
he
help
even
me
get
out?
in here?
Pajama Sam never abandons.
That's what
someone
I'm
who
with.
needs
How did he
help.
even get in
Thanks,
here?
that's good to know.
Ow.
That doesn't look very comfortable.
It isn't. Please insert more coins.
I haven't got any more coins.
Oh, great.
I do have a can of earthquake. And throw it on his ass. I would love this stuff in real life. I would buy like 20 cans. Just throw it at people.
Ouch! Free at last! What a relief. You ever been stuck in a vending machine, Sam?
I think I'm a little too big to fit in there.
I can fit your ass in there.
You are. Say, where did you get that great outfit?
This? It's my pajamas. I sleep in them.
You have
Because he's
special
got
clothes
Pajama
just
Man
for sleeping
Sam.
in.
Of course.
Pajama Sam, not Pajama
Why?
Man Sam. I used to say Pajama Man Sam.
Well, that's not important right now. We have to get you back to the rain machine.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll bet they miss me. Can
Because
you give me a
otherwise
lift?
everything
Sure.
will explode. Here, wrong way. Yes, yes, nice one, Sam. And work the crowd. Yo, Flaky. Ba-bam.
Here we are, Inspector.
Inspector, are you coming back to work?
Oh, yes.
Then I'm so glad to see you.
And you. Now stand aside and let me do my job.
Stuck up.
Pleasure.
Take the robotic stick up your ass.
I don't know how you did it, but you have my heartfelt gratitude.
Sam?
Good one.
Well, young man, I see you've fixed another weather
Yes.
machine.
I have.
You said you know something about economics, right?
Yeah, I know pretty much all there is to know about economics.
Perfect.
I may need a little help.
That's cool, but I'm kind of busy right now. Being undercover, you know.
Do you know what my main problem is?
Icicles?
My nose isn't properly integrated with my outfit. The clothes don't match the nose, or vice versa.
The clothes don't
Problem
match
is,
the
you've
nose.
got to get a little perspective, Chili. Think about the big picture for once in your life.
Oh, if only it matched the hat, it would be perfect.
Oh, you want an aubergine or an eggplant? I can grow one in the greenhouse. Finally, the greenhouse is another use. So if we go back here, I almost noticed that from the top of my head. That's how much I've played this. Back into the greenhouse. Let's craft an egghead. Aubergine. So you need a lot of sunshine and one rain. Great nose.
Eggplant. Yuck. Nobody likes these except my brother Mark.
Okay, put them in this thingy. Okay, good. So now we go back up here. Get the carrots. Then go to the board meeting, do that, then put on back the last two pieces. And then we've put when we did that, we win the game. Good sir, here's your new nose.
Here, what do you think of this?
Oh, I say, that's an excellent match.
Hey,
Spectacular.
I'll be recognized.
Here, you may have this rabble-rousing vegetable in return.
Rebel-rousing
Okay.
vegetable.
You gotta hide me, kid. I'm undercover, you know, investigating the economic exploitation of the workers here.
All right, I'll hide you.
Now go back to the board.
Explain Giffin's paradox.
Economics are right on.
Do you know the answer to this?
Whoa, Giffin's paradox. That's where if you take a product that's not very good and you just make it cost more money, people will buy more of it. Pretty scary, huh?
Indeed, but also correct.
Yeah, what new board member?
That means he passes, right? He can be on the board?
Of course it means I'm
That's
passing.
right. Welcome to the board of directors,
Asshole.
Sam.
Thanks.
Have a seat.
Okay.
So all of them are chairs, but I get to take a seat.
What do we do now?
Let's discuss proper seating for all board members.
Let's see. According to the agenda, there are a few more items to be sorted out before we can discuss new business.
Oh.
Like?
First, we have to talk about a color scheme for the executive washroom renovation this spring. Are there any suggestions?
Yeah, brown.
Excuse me?
Yes?
I'd like to take a restroom break.
Well,
My assistant can represent me while I'm gone.
Hey, finally a chance to make a difference.
No
Thanks,
problem,
Sam.
Carrot, bro.
Great. See you guys later.
Take the gigantic bathroom key. It's almost as big as me. How am I putting this in my pocket?
All right. Listen up, everybody, because there are going to be some changes around here.
oh dear.
Those sounds were coming out of my lock. I would always lock and unlock my door. I would just do cloink, 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 cloink. That's a long cable.
Hi. Hello. You're safe now. I've got you.
Thank you. Will you take me back to the wind machine?
Sure thing,
course.
Velocimometer.
You can call me Fellow, if you want
Aw,
to.
thanks, fellow.
Okay, Velo. I'll take you home.
Thank
You can call you Raptor. Velocimometer. Okay, good. We got all of them. Whoop, wipe pipe. Here you go, my man.
Okay, here we are. Time to go back to work.
Do I have to?
Of
Yes, you
course
lazy
you
shit.
do.
Why?
Because if you don't, then the rain machine won't work and we'll run out of rain.
So?
So, we need rain. It's good for plants and stuff like that.
I know. I was just having fun with you.
Why?
Well, because...
Gotcha.
What do you know? I guess you did. All right, put me back in the machine already.
Sam?
I wish you'd stop sneaking up on me like that.
Sorry, Sam. We wanted to say we're very impressed with the way you've been fixing the weather machines.
Thank you.
At this rate, we'll have everything shipshape before anyone even notices anything was wrong. Hang on for a second, Sam. That's our call waiting.
Lightning!
Mother Nature!
What on earth is going on over there?
Nothing.
Everything's under control.
Don't hand me that claptrap. I read your incident report. You left out one or two things.
What things would those be?
Well, for example, why isn't it windy in Chicago? It's supposed to be windy in Chicago. I'm coming over there now, and when I get there, I want some answers.
Oh boy.
Mother Nature is coming! Here!
Is that bad?
It could be. If everything's not perfect by the time she gets here, we'll be in
I
big
already
trouble.
got the velocimometer, so don't even worry, Thunder.
Hopelessly out of date!
Lightning, go for an Oscar. Go play
We
the
better get to
Titanic or
work
something.
updating them right away.
Go create the iceberg.
I'll fix the wind machine.
Thank you. And Sam,
Yes?
please hurry.
And here's the velocimometer.
Here we are.
Oh,
It's the
goody.
Raptor.
Home.
Attention, all personnel. The president is arriving. This is not a drill.
Gee, the company president. Something big must be happening.
There's no time to lose.
Oh no, she's here! She's here! What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we
We fixed it. We're the
I
best.
don't know. We've got to stall her. We'll think of something. Mother Nature, how nice to see you.
Where
Cut
are
the
her
chit-chat,
legs?
Thunder. I'm making a full inspection of the facility. And I'm warning you, if everything isn't absolutely perfect, you're both in deep trouble. What's this?
Mother Nature, you haven't seen my slides from my trip to Cleveland.
try to live with the disappointment. Let me see those monitors. It's me, see those monitors.
What's going on?
Aha! It looks like everything is working just fine.
Yeah, no problem
It
at all.
is?
Of course it is.
Yeah, why would there be any
And
problem?
who might you be?
I'm
The
Pajama
same
Sam.
as you, Onion. I
He's
will
the
kick your
little boy
ass.
who...
He's our handyman, that's who. Keeps everything running smoothly. I don't know where we'd be without him.
I'm happy to report that all the weather machines are working perfectly.
All right then. Thunder, lightning. Keep up the good work.
We're not fired?
Certainly not. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm needed in Acapulco.
Sam, thank you so much for all your help.
You fixed the last machine just in time. You saved our
Sorry,
job.
got distracted.
And the weather is all back to normal.
Does that mean it'll be stormy at my house again?
Yes. In fact, how would you like to take the controls for a little while?
Me? Control the weather?
Tornadoes everywhere!
This controls how much rain there is. And this one is a volume control for the kaboom!
Oh boy.
Ah, that's cool. Pajama Sam 2, Thunder and Lightning ain't so frightening. That was it. Oh, I love playing this again. This was fun. But anyway, I had a blast playing this game. I hope you had a blast watching it. If so, leave a like, and I hope to see you in the next episode of whatever the hell I'm gonna make. See you then. Bye-bye.